These are the handy laundry wool dryer balls. So simple. Toss them in and forget about them. Okay, so my towels were coming out nasty and I felt like they weren't absorbing anymore. So I did some research and I found these 100% wool dryer balls with no fillers, so you're not coating clothes in softener residue. They help separate the laundry so the air moves better and the load dries a bit faster. They cut down on wrinkles, they make towels and sweatshirts fluffier, okay? And there are 6 of them in here, and they're reusable for a very long time, which means fewer dryer sheets and less waste. You could also add a little essential oil drop if you want a scent without heavy fragrance. These work so well for people avoiding fabric softener buildup in your machine or on your clothes. My towels just didn't feel luxury anymore. This is a solid everyday swap if you want softer clothes without liquid softener or using a million dryer sheets. But expect a little bit of noise in your dryer. They do a little thumping, but nothing dramatic. Okay, so there are 6 here. I usually dry 2 loads at a time. I have 2 dryers, so I put 3 balls in one load and 3 in the other. And I find that, especially with towels and bedding, that works best. But I highly recommend these handy laundry set of 6 wool dryer balls.